Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of drones, specifically the much-anticipated DJI Flip Drone. This compact marvel is shaping up to be a game-changer in the drone industry, with rumors and leaks painting a picture of innovation and convenience. Let's unravel everything we know so far about this highly awaited device. DJI Flip Drone, a new era in portability. The DJI Flip Drone has caught the tech world's attention with its groundbreaking design. Weighing less than 250 grams, this ultra-lightweight drone is poised to redefine portability. Its compact size doesn't mean a compromise on features. Instead, it's packed with some of the most advanced technologies found in DJI's premium lineup. For drone enthusiasts and content creators alike, the Flip promises to be a versatile tool that bridges the gap between convenience and high performance. Advanced features at a glance. The Flip drone is more than just a tiny flying gadget. It's loaded with cutting-edge features that make it a formidable contender in the market. 1. AI-powered tracking. One of the standout features is its AI-powered tracking system. This allows the drone to follow subjects seamlessly, making it perfect for capturing dynamic shots while you focus on your creativity. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just exploring, the Flip's tracking capabilities ensure you never miss a moment. 2. LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and the Flip drone exemplifies this commitment. Equipped with LiDAR sensors, a feature usually reserved for DJI's high-end models, the Flip offers advanced obstacle avoidance. This ensures smooth navigation, even in complex environments. 3. Cinematic flight modes. For those looking to add a cinematic touch to their footage, the Flip drone comes with quick-shots modes such as Droney, Rocket, and Boomerang. These pre-programmed flight paths enable users to create stunning videos effortlessly. Imaging powerhouse. A drone's camera capabilities often determine its appeal, and the DJI Flip doesn't disappoint. High-quality sensor. The Flip is rumored to feature a 1/1.3-inch camera sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR support. This setup is perfect for capturing vibrant and detailed footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. Extended flight time. Despite its small size, the Flip boasts an impressive flight time of around 31 minutes. This allows users to capture extended sessions without frequent interruptions for recharging. Optional ND filters. For those aiming to elevate their content, optional ND filters are available. These filters help control exposure and add a cinematic flair to your videos. Enhanced connectivity and control. The DJI Flip drone's connectivity features are equally impressive. OcuSync 4.0. The drone is expected to run on DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission system. This ensures better range, stability, and low-latency video streaming, making it a reliable choice for various scenarios. Controller options. Users can choose between the base model and the RC2 controller for enhanced control. For those who want the complete package, the Fly More combo includes additional accessories to maximize the drone's potential. Pricing and availability. The DJI Flip drone's pricing strategy appears to cater to a wide range of users. Base model, $460. RC2 controller bundle, $670. Fly More combo, $800. Leaks suggest the Flip drone will be officially unveiled in mid-January 2025, potentially during CES in Las Vegas. If these rumors hold true, it's bound to steal the spotlight at one of the tech world's biggest events. Who is it for? The DJI Flip drone's combination of portability, advanced features, and competitive pricing makes it appealing to various users. Beginners. Its lightweight design and user-friendly features make it an ideal choice for first-time pilots. Content creators. With high-quality imaging capabilities and cinematic flight modes, the Flip is a dream tool for social media influencers and videographers. Hobbyists. Drone enthusiasts will appreciate its innovative features and robust build. Breaking the norms. The DJI Flip drone is not just another compact drone. It's a statement of innovation. By incorporating premium features into a lightweight design, DJI challenges the notion that portability comes at the cost of functionality. The Flip is set to disrupt the market and redefine what consumers can expect from a compact drone. Final thoughts. As we await its official launch, the DJI Flip drone has already made waves in the tech community. Its rumored features and capabilities suggest it's more than just a drone. It's a tool for creativity and exploration. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting your drone journey, the Flip promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. Stay tuned for more updates as we bring you the latest news on the DJI Flip Drone and other cutting-edge technologies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead in the world of tech. Until next time, this is Technology in the Future, signing off.